सब गलत हो रहा है, सब गलत हो रहा है। This is Bharat. He absolutely believes that life is all about romance, passion, and dreams. He believes that he will change and inspire the whole world through his vlogs and content just by showing up every day, listening to and trusting his heart with passion and enthusiasm. But little did he know that every day is the catch. He is a creative guy, but so much so that if he isn't regularly stimulated or isn't able to put his infinite new ideas into execution, he gets depressed. And taking about one entire month of doing nothing but editing one supercar video, he decided that he will never ever go to a supercar event again, although he loves them. So this vlog story is all about him deciding if he should go to the dream supercar event that is going to happen the next day. Also, he dances first thing in the morning every day to get into the state of conquering a new day. So yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Dude, last night I couldn't sleep at all because I was editing the whole vlog, the last vlog, and then I slept in the day, and even then I couldn't sleep just because there's construction and there's a lot of sounds in my neighborhood. So well, today is 13th November and if I remember correctly, tomorrow is launch control, but honestly I don't plan to go there because I go crazy over supercar edits and it fucks up my content schedule and I mess up everything, right? So I'm planning to skip it this time. But yes, today I edited this G-Wagon video which you must have seen on Instagram, but if you haven't, here it is. It's cool, isn't it? I started it with the idea of just editing anything, but then it ended up becoming this loop kind of thingy, and I'm pretty much in love with this. And oh man, dude, I've been getting texts now from people if I'm coming to launch control or not. Now honestly, dude, I won't lie to you, I didn't know either what this event is about until yesterday. So let me explain it to you. Launch control is an event of dreams. It's a place where people, opulent people, supercar enthusiasts, rich businessmen, passionate humans, super successful humans, super inspiring and super amazing people come together in their unreal head-turning rides, legendary cars, sports cars, tuned cars, rare cars, race cars to drag race against each other, quarter-mile races, have the time of their life, drift their cars and live their passions out. So for anyone who is like even 1% in love with supercars, that place is like heaven for you. And honestly, as much as I decided to not go there, now I want to go. I haven't contacted anybody yet. I didn't want to go until now, but dude, honestly I do want to go over there. I mean, how can I miss the launch control? But the problem is, I ditched everyone who asked me to come until now, and now I have no one to go with. I make super impulsive last minute decisions, and that's how I am. But you know, before any further delay, the first thing that I want to do is to go to sleep. It's 9:15 already. I want to get some sleep because I didn't sleep the whole night yesterday. I slept for like 4 hours today, and if I don't sleep, dude, it'll be like really harmful for my health. I'm really exhausted. But we are yo. Dude, it's all fucked up. It's 12 a.m. I tried to sleep for the vlog, but I haven't been able to sleep, and there are like 4 hours left. The place is 80 kilometers away, and it's like a 2-3 hour drive. And if I don't sleep, I already have a headache, and it's fucked up, dude. What the hell? Let's go to sleep, please. Dude, this is where I make really rash decisions. I haven't slept the whole night. अभी मुझे almost 4 बजे नींद आई थी, 5 बजे I woken up. I want to sleep, dude. Dude. I was in India and the only way I could sleep was I started an audiobook or फिर ले लेगा आगे. You see, the point is, at this time, no matter what decision I take, all of them are wrong. अगर मैं चाहता हूँ, I'm sort of harming my health by not sleeping and over-exhausting my body. If I don't go, I'm still doing wrong because I should have rested and should have gone because I shouldn't miss opportunities like this. It's just fucked up. Sometimes life just is difficult and it puts you in ugly, awkward situations. But I'm obviously planning to go. But I look so bad, dude. So bad. The biggest problem is I haven't even called Gurman yet. But I don't even know if I'm going to launch control or not because I haven't talked to anybody on launch control. Gurman, I was all dependent on Gurman. What could you expect? Gurman isn't picking the call. सब गलत हो रहा है. It's 5:19 in the morning. I have to leave my dad on the way. तो हमें थोड़ी और जल्दी निकलना है. And सब कुछ रश में हो रहा है. I don't know. I just hope मैं कुछ gear miss ना कर दूँ. What the hell? Hi everyone, the situation is super tight right now. I tried to contact Gurman, he's not picking the call. तो भी मैंने अंकित भैया से बात की है कि और कुछ होना हो प्लीज़ मेरी एंट्री करा देना. So it's like nobody has called me over there. मैं बिना बात किए लॉन्च कंट्रोल जा रहा हूँ. But hopefully Gurman कॉल उठा ले. But the problem is Gurman was sick yesterday, so he said there is a chance like he might come and he might not come. So that is what I'm worried about. But I'm literally making a bet, a gamble right now. It's 80 kilometers away, launch control, and I'm leaving here at 6 o'clock. I'm leaving. I really hope things make sense and the dots connect and somehow get to enter the launch control. But yeah, this is the situation right now. This is what I do in the stressful situations, just show up and leave it to the universe. So yeah, now let's go. By the way, my fit is looking really dope today, huh? It's all black, my signature style. So yeah, let's go because अभी मुझे पापा को एक बार छतरपुर छोड़ना रास्ते में. Extra batteries, cinematic lens. तो अभी ये भी अंकित भैया का टेक्स्ट आया कि don't go to Buddha Circuit directly and meet him near South X or Lajpat Metro. Whoa. See, that's what I'm saying. अभी तक मेरा कोई plan नहीं था. Maybe I'll tag along with Ankit Bhaiya. Oh, let's go. So what I did is सुबह उठते ही I made a list of things that I want to get and I made it in keep notes so that I can check. So cameras हो गए, lens हो गए हैं, card. Yes, तो भी मुझे सिर्फ gimbal रखना. This is a really nice way to keep tracks. वरना कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा रह जाता है and that causes a lot of problems. So yes, I'm pretty much done. पापा की कॉल आ रही है. Let's go. Dude, I am literally such a lost case today. I had to leave at Delhi Heart because the whole pink line was closed and now I'm going on auto to the metro. Alright guys, so current situation. Ankit Bhaiya ne mujhe bola ki there's no point of bringing the car, so I had to leave my dad at Chhatarpur. So Chhatarpur pe, so instead of leaving him at Chhatarpur, my dad left me at Chhatarpur metro and वहाँ से I took a metro to दिल्ली हाट जहाँ से मुझे पिंक लाइन लेके राजौरी गार्डन के लिए चेंज करना था जहाँ पे मुझे अंकित भैया मिलने वाले थे. But as soon as I left the metro और मैं पिंक लाइन की तरफ जा रहा था, I saw the whole metro was closed. पिंक लाइन वो बोल रहे थे कि 8 बजे के बाद खुलेगी. I talked to the guard and he said अगर राजौरी जाना है तो अभी निकलो ऑटो से. So I've literally just booked an auto, but dude, this is a really tight situation because I can't tell you, Gurman hasn't picked my call yet. Okay, so I'm leaving with Ankit bhaiya, but they said to 8 baje nikal jayenge and it's already 7:40 over here. And I had to use the public washroom in the middle because सुबह सब कुछ जल्दी गया था. Bro, everything is fucked up. आज शो को मेरे बिना ना निकले, everything will be fine. अगर होना हो तो बस. Okay, so I'm finally at Rajouri Garden and turns out मैं सुबह से जल्दी कर रहा था और मेरी अभी अंकित भैया से बात हुई. He hasn't even left. मैंने बोला भैया मैं रजौरी गार्डन आ गया हूँ, आप निकले तो नहीं हो. I was so afraid. मुझे लग रहा था आज मैं लेट हो जाऊँगा और ये पूरा सुपर कार का ग्रुप जो हमारे साथ आज हम जा रहे हैं जिसमें वो मुझे छोड़ के चल जाएगा. But turns out वो भी घर से ही नहीं निकलेगा. But yes, hopefully he'll be here in some like 10 to 15 minutes. So yes, I am excited for the day. Turns out things aren't bad as I thought. Dude, right from the morning, literally everything was going wrong. Finally, यहाँ पे आके I'm feeling a little peaceful. And Gurman ने अभी तक कॉल नहीं उठाई है. Dude, what the hell? I just hope he's fine because he was sick. That's great. So yeah, that's all. Okay, 30 minutes later, I was so excited. I made a reel over here. और अभी मुझे एक M5 की आवाज़ आई. I guess supercars are imminent. My gimbal is in the bag. I don't plan to use it until I reach the race course. Here it is. This is the first supercar I've seen till now. He probably doesn't know me, but I'll be joining him.
Finally enjoy करो वहाँ पे.
This G-Wagon looks really sick though. Dude, only 3 woods. I am fucking excited. Let's go. Okay, मुझे अभी भी पता चला कि वो राजौरी में नहीं है. They all are meeting somewhere else. और वो निकलने वाले थे. Thank God I called them. नहीं चल. There they are. At last, bro.
I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bed?